Hello guys, if the Rainbow Six Siege is crashing, first thing what I suggest to do here is to disable overlays. A lot of apps uses overlays like NVIDIA app, Discord, Steam itself, so try to disable overlays. Like on Rainbow Six Siege, you can disable overlay just by right clicking on the game. Then here on the general should be overlay, you can disable. Then also you can disable in all games on Steam overlays. So you just need to go to Steam settings, then press on in-game and disable overlays as well. Another thing, NVIDIA app uses overlays. So go to NVIDIA, go to settings, disable overlay here. And also Discord uses overlays. So you need to search it and disable as well. So this is the first step. Next thing what you need to do here is to right click on Rainbow Six Siege, then go to properties, install files, browse. Then you need to press on three dots here, not three dots view, and then show and make sure file name extensions is enabled. Then scroll all the way down until you see a Rainbow Six Siege exe. So scroll down and here you will see Rainbow Six Siege exe. Right click on it, misclicked. You just need to go to show more options, properties, compatibility, make sure to disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator, apply the changes. Then copy the path, just press on the blank space here and copy the path. Then what you need to do here is to go to graphic settings. On graphic settings, you need to add a desktop app. Then you need to paste the path and then add exe here. And exe should appear here. So the next thing what you need to do here is simply search it. Once you find it, expand the option, then make sure to select high performance here. Then scroll up and make sure to go to advanced graphic settings and make sure hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is on as well. Next thing what you need to do here is to go to virus and threat protection, wait for a couple of seconds. Then you'll see virus and threat protection settings, press on that, then scroll down until you see exclusions and press add or remove exclusion. Then press add an exclusion folder and then paste that path that we just copied, and then you just need to go on common. Then you'll see Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege, press on it and select a folder. And look after that if the problem persists. Then what you need to do here is to go to Windows Defender Firewall, then add allow an app or feature, then press on allow another app, browse, and then also paste the path and add exe here. If you're getting this means you already added, so you don't need to worry about it. And the last thing that I suggest to do here is to right click and then show more options and go to an NVIDIA control panel. If using AMD, it may be different, but nevertheless, you just need to go to manage 3D settings and then you should see anti-aliasing FXAA and turn it on and apply the changes and then look if the problem persists after that. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.